Alright, so we are going to do some photography with the Gundam model kit that I just built. Let's get straight into it. So I have the RX-93 Gundam build, the 1/44 kit size. And I also have a scene base that I bought off of Amazon to give it that hangar type feel, as if it was getting prepared for battle or getting ready for repairs for maintenance. I also have this random black crate right behind it to also give it that hangar type feel to it. My main light is the AD200 with a silver umbrella collapse pointing almost straight down, mainly because I want it to feel as if it is overhead lighting, giving it a little bit of punch to it. I also have the Godox Speedlight right behind the figure, but for the first couple of shots, I'm not gonna use it just to see how it looks because I want to use it as a rim light to give it an extra kick to it. Let's go over the overview. The RX-93 Gundam build with the scene base, the AD200 with the silver umbrella as the main light source, then the Godox Speedlight as the rim light. But the first shot, I'm not gonna use the Speedlight, so let's see how it looks. Okay, I like it. This is exactly what I was going for. As you can see, it's little shadows behind the Gundam figure, which is not bad. But when I add this Speedlight as the rim light, it's gonna give it an extra subtle kick to it. So let's see how it looks. Yeah, I think it came out pretty good. Like I said, it's subtle, but it gives it an extra kick to it. So I also have this atmosphere spray that gives it the mood of a dusty scene. So I'm gonna spray it around and snap and let's see how it looks. Looks good, looks good. So you don't have to use this. I just used it just to play around to see how it looks. But I kind of like it though. And I'm also shooting this in a low angle to give the Gundam size a large feel, even though it's a small figure. But in order to give it that big feel to it, I shoot it in a lower angle upwards, shooting upwards. All right, that's it. Bye.